Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Thank you very much for coming to a new video of Dr. Cat Can Code. In this video, I'm going to review and test the sponge microphone cover for my Blue Yeti X premium microphone that I have unboxed in the other videos of I have uploaded that to this channel. And finally, I have ordered the sponge microphone cover for my Blue Yeti X. It's hard to find a sponge that is big enough to cover the very large tip of my microphone Blue Yeti X that I have it over here. It's I'm very excited to see this item comes to Melbourne. I'll come to my house in Melbourne today. There's no we cannot find this item in any of the eBay stores in Australia. So this item I ordered this item from one of the stores in Shenzhen, China. So it took quite a while for the item to come to Melbourne and come to my place, given the current climate of the global pandemic. But finally, it is here, and I'm very excited to have it here with you guys. And in this video, I'm going to test it, whether it can actually improve the quality of the recording, as well as reducing the pop sound, whether it can act as a good pop filter and without occupying too much space, like a dedicated pop filter, like a separate circular thing that in front of the microphone, between you and the microphone. Of course, it can give the air a bit of travel distance before it hit the microphone, but it occupied too much space on the screen and it cover my face too much, which is not good because I want to appear in the video more, so that you can see my face. So that's why I'm thinking about this buying this pop filter, this sponge pop filter or sponge microphone cover. And I just opened the box because the box is very simple. So I didn't. I'm not making an unbox video. I'm just testing it, and I already unboxed it. Just a couple of notes on the quality of the item. It looks great outside. Of course, you can see the cut here. You can see the cut here. You still can see the cut. It looks good overall, but you can see the cut inside a bit. You can see a bit of that outside, but inside you can see a very clear cut of the item. I think that's a part of the process making this item, the sponge cover. So because most of the time I'm gonna speak to the microphone like this, so of course this microphone Blue Yeti X is very premium. It can actually capture the sound from all the direction if you use the correct mode. But most of the time I use the mode that only capture the sound coming to the front of the microphone. So I'm going to put the sponge, the cut part, to the behind, to the back of the microphone, and the part without any cut, smooth surface to face my mouth when I speak. So that is fine and perfect. Apart from that, the quality is great. It's quite good for a 14 Australian dollar item. I think it's $9. I negotiated the price with the seller, and I managed to brought it down to $9 I think, which is around 14 Australian dollars. So not too bad. So it's not cheap. It's not cheap for sure. But apart from using it as a pop filter, I also can use it as a microphone cover, sponge cover to protect the microphone as well, right? And prevent dust and stuff like that. Because this is a very expensive microphone, more than nearly $300. So let's get into that. Um, I'm going to currently I'm actually talking to the microphone without a filter. Without a filter, as you can see here, without a filter. And next, I gonna try to talk to the microphone with a filter. But before doing that, I'm going to go into the setting of the of the Logitech G Hub for the Yeti X for my microphone, and I'm going to disable the Blue Voice, because the Blue Voice is the software algorithm that is built in the Microsoft in the Logitech G Hub to change your voice to make it warmer or to make it sound nicer. It's a part of the package, comes with the um, microphone, so it supports my Blue Yeti X Professional. So I'm going to be able to test this. I need to disable the Blue Voice, so the sound coming out is without any software um, changes. So I'm going to disable the Blue Voice now. Okay, so this is my voice without the Blue Voice, and captured by the mic by the Logitech G Hub Blue Yeti X. Blue Yeti X. Okay, so I'm going to say a couple of sentences to see if it sounds nice or not. Without a filter, without a filter here. Uh, so so I have a filter in here. So I say Peter. I'm going to test a couple of sounds that likely to produce the pop sound. So Peter, pop, people, people, pop, Peter, people, Peter Pan, pan, Peter Pan, people, pop, pop, pop filter. Okay, so that's so this is the sounds without the cover. Now let's apply the cover. So let's, like I mentioned before, there's a cut in here. So I'm going to let the cut facing the other side, and I'm going to have the smooth part facing me, because I'm going to use the microphone in this sitting most of the time. Okay, now let me try to put it on this. Let me clear some dust here, because I'm not going. Okay, that's good. So it's a very big microphone, and it's good that I managed to find a filter, a sponge filter that fit the microphone, that fit the tip of the microphone. Okay. It's really big. So I kind of fit it in now. What about the other side? We see on the microphone, on the camera. Okay. Okay, so So I have fit the spun microphone cover to my Blue Yeti X. Now I'm going to test the sound if to see whether it's actually can prevent the pop uh, pop sound. Okay, first just test a couple of symbol sentences to see if it can capture the normal sentences just nice, or is it not clear anymore. Record a sample of your voice to reference how you sound. Okay. Polar pattern, persistent mode. Presets can be used as a baseline to begin customizing your sound. Presets: people, Peter, Peter Pan, Peter Pan, people, Paul, pause, people, Peter, people, Peter Pan. Okay, so I hope the testing will give you and myself later when I look at my video again um, some idea whether this uh, microphone sponge cover or pop filter will work well with my Blue Yeti X. Blue Yeti X is a very premium microphone as well, so it's good to have some sort of protection for the longevity of the device. I'm very happy with the purchase of my Blue Yeti X, so that's why I decided to invest another nearly 15 Australian dollar to buy this sponge cover for it, all the way from Shenzhen, China. And I hope that it will not only protecting my microphone, it also help to improve the quality of the recording so that my the sounds of my videos on this channel and other channels gonna be improved, and that also serve you guys in some way. And thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope this video is useful for you, and please share the video to your friends, like it if you find it useful. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me, as well as see the newer videos more easily. And take care, everyone, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much again. Goodbye.